have everything set up, we are going to put the powders in the corresponding glasses and then add a small amount of water and whisk it to try to even the clumps out. I have put warm water in each of these for the 2s of S and C, and I'm going to add a little bit and then slurry it with a whisk. These are the consistencies of each with the little bit of water added, and now I'm going to add the remaining and mark the time as being 8:48. Now I'm going to add the room temperature water to S1, and doing exactly the same, a small amount, and whisk it up to break up the clumps, and then I will add the remaining to it. And again, this is what the S1, C1, and M1 look like now that I've added, and the time was 8:52. At 20 minutes, we have this result for slippery elm in warm water, and that's after agitation as well. This is for cinnamon, so there's more defined clumps in this one, whereas this one looks like one big old chunk at the bottom with a little bit on the top floating. And then this is for the marshmallow powder, and this looks like it's actually a little bit more evenly dispersed throughout the fluid. Slippery elm with S1, 1 gram of each. This one has a clear definition. Right about here. So it looks like it's thickest the most at the bottom, and then it thins as it goes up. The cinnamon powder has a rim at the top, and then defined bottom here with a little bit of a foamy layer with some disbursement of powder in the middle. And then the marshmallow root seems to be all concentrated at the bottom. Boiling water at 20 minutes for the slippery elm. As you can see, we have a thicker layer with moderate sized clumps in between, but it seems to be more evenly dispersed than the S2. And this is the C4, and once again we have a heavy layer at the bottom and really nothing at top. It's just a brown liquid. And then this is the marshmallow root, and there's sediment at the bottom and a defined layer of hazy fluid at the top. Now at 20 minutes with the ice cold water, we have this for slippery elm, which is a lot. It's still clumpy looking, but it goes further up into the water layer. So you only have about a quarter to, around a quarter, with nothing in it, just the hazy fluid. Hazy translucent fluid. This is cinnamon, and these have not been agitated. So you have a thin layer of powder evenly around the top, and then you have a thicker layer of powder at the bottom, and then you have small, tiny dispersions of powder throughout the middle layers of fluid. And then we have marshmallow root at cold water at 20 minutes. And that is, again, actually this one has some clumps floating at the top. And this one you see, even though it was stirred at the beginning with a small amount of cold water, it still has a space of dry powder. And we have